हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रैवल एंड कुजीन। आज हम बात करेंगे 5 रीजंस फॉर कनाडा सिटीजनशिप एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्शन। जब आप पीआर लेने के बाद सिटीजनशिप एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करते हैं तो जो 5 रीजंस हैं वो क्या हैं एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्शन के, वो हम देखते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आफ्टर एक्वायरिंग परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी ऑफ कनाडा, most immigrants focus on obtaining Canadian citizenship to integrate in the Canadian community. Furthermore, Canada has one of the powerful passports in the world, and Canadians enjoy perk of visiting many country visa free. अगर आप कैनेडियन सिटीजनशिप पा लेते हैं तो आप बहुत सी कंट्रीज जो है वीज़ा फ्री ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। ये एक बेनिफिट है कैनेडियन पासपोर्ट लेने का। However, for many reasons, your citizenship application may be rejected. Let's see 5 most frequent causes of application rejection and what you can do to prevent them. So let's start. Not meeting the physical presence requirement. ये है रीजन नंबर 1। आइए इसको देखते हैं डिटेल में। To become a Canadian citizen, applicants must have spent at least 3 of the 5 years or a total of 1095 days before submitting their application. However, many candidates incorrectly believe that the acquired time period to maintain their PR status, that is 730 days, is the same as the period needed to become a Canadian citizen, which is 1095 days. Second point, failure to provide the tax records. In Canada, filing taxes is a requirement and prospective citizens must have done so for the previous 3 years to apply for citizenship. The simplest way to evidence your tax record is to give IRCC authorization to contact CRA to verify you have submitted your taxes and meet the requirement. Or you may provide other personal records proving that you have been filing taxes. Failure to provide evidence of your tax records may result in refusal. Third point, unable to pass the citizenship test. This is very important. You have to pass the citizenship test to become a citizen. The Canadian citizenship test may not be as easy, so don't take the test lightly. Instead, give yourself enough time to learn and prepare for the test. However, if you do not pass the citizenship test, IRCC will schedule you for a second try, provided you meet all the other requirements. If you fail the second time, IRCC will reject your application if you don't pass the oral hearing, which will be held to test your expertise. Point number 4, lacking evidence of language proficiency. To be given Canadian citizenship, you must achieve CLB 4 level or more in speaking and listening. Since people typically have to pass a language test to become permanent residents, this shouldn't be difficult. However, the result of this language test should be on file even if it has expired. तो जब आप पीआर अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको लैंग्वेज टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स लगाने होते हैं। वही लैंग्वेज टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स आप सिटीजनशिप एप्लीकेशन में लगा सकते हैं अगर वो एक्सपायर भी हो गया है तो। पॉइंट नंबर 5, स्किपिंग द सिटीजनशिप सेरेमनी. All applicants who are 14 years or older must attend the oath of citizenship for Canada. But many people might not realize that you should be physically present in the country to do this. For some reasons, if you are not able to attend the ceremony, you can reschedule the same. So, ये जो है 5 पॉइंट हैं जो मेन रीजंस हैं आपके सिटीजनशिप एप्लीकेशन डिनाइल के या रिजेक्शन के। तो इन सब 5 पॉइंट्स को आप क्लियरली जो अंडरस्टैंड कर लीजिए और ट्राई करिए कि ये मिस्टेक्स आप ना करें। If your citizenship application is denied, you can reapply it anytime. आप की अगर एप्लीकेशन रिफ्यूज़ होती है तो आप उसको कभी भी रीअप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, आप इसको एनी टाइम यू कैन रीअप्लाई द सिटीजनशिप टेस्ट। सो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन है पूरी। अगर आपको कुछ और भी पूछना है कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट करके आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल।